I saw red when I opened up the door. Hi, Kevin Blanch. Stock market. You fuckers that buy into the fear-mongering fucking bullshit when you didn't buy into it. This country is abstract in rational thought process. You're too worried about running and mortgaging your house at 0% interest rate when real inflation. If I have one more asshole comes to me, so the old, this market's just inflating. Where the fuck were you motherfuckers in 02, 03, 04, 05? Let's be clear, you fucking idiots. You call yourselves economists, you stupid motherfuckers. Number one, what was the dollar to the euro when Bush stole the election? What was the dollar to the euro that we, the day, for that matter, to the yen, to the ruby, to any of them, to the fucking peso, the day that we invaded Iraq? 70 cents? What was it when Bush left office? $1.60. What is it now? $1.42. Let's be clear. Don't give me this inflating our shit. Where the fuck were you in 02, 03, 04? And I love how you fuckers fearmonger all your clients out fucking last week. Talk about a head fake. And you fucking assholes who sit and pull that shit on your clients and your fucking people. Where were you? Where were you? Now, I guess that's why wealth stays wealth. Let's talk about inflation in the market. What has the market done in the last 2 years? The market's up 80% in the last 2 years. And I love all you gold fearmongers. Okay, I'll give it to you. If you bought gold in 2001, 2, 3, 4, more power to you. But if you sold your Dow when it was collapsing in 2008 and you bought gold and you think you're ahead of the freaking guys who didn't, oh no. I freaking got into it with the endowment I work for. I got outvoted 7-4, over $100 million of inherited G stock alone. I begged them to hedge it. I begged them to hedge it. They've held it for decades. I begged them. I got outvoted 9-2. The other vote, the dean, was on my side to either get out of it or hedge it. You wouldn't do it because you guys are so ingrained in indoctrination in your crusade fake Christianity bullshit. You're too wizzy about freaking mass murdering somebody in the name of some religion when you don't even know what Christianity is. Where were you then? You were losing all your clients' money. So let's talk about inflation since the last 2 years, since it capitulated. Has inflation reared its ugly head? Not really. I mean, has it just stayed there? Yeah, it's pretty well what it was. The inflation time in this country was from 2000 to 2008. Inflation raged. As I said over oil, what was a gallon of gasoline when Bush stole the election? $1.30. A barrel of oil, $12. Gold, $225. What was it in 2008 when Bernanke and freaking Geithner and Obama and the rest of this, and even Boehner, you know, McConnell, you know, both sides, they're taking too much heat. Yeah, Congress is a fucking mess, but they're way more intelligent than the masses of the American public. The American public are fucking morons. I've really come to conclude that. They're dumber than fucking dirt. Your money has outperformed gold in the market. The S&P 500's up nearly a fucking 100%. I mean, there's all kinds of high dividend yields. That's without the dividend. And you fools, okay, when you do your calculation, remember, a lot of those stocks pay a dividend. What's the Dow? 11,400, and you sold last week at 10,700? Now, if you're a trader, you made a score, because good traders look at economic data. They don't follow morons like David Gergen, who doesn't even know his own subject matter, these idiots all over Fox and CNN. You buy into that bullshit, they will slaughter you. They already slaughtered your fucking country via these bullshit fucking wars that they talked you into. Keep listening to them motherfuckers, see if you got 5 cents. Let's get real about our money. You traders who I mentored, you came through my classes, I hope you guys shot the trigger. You know, you were taught right. I know you guys did the right thing because I've had emails from you. Hang in there. I think it's a good time to buy high dividend yield stocks. Now, if the dollar starts to reel in and gets a little stronger, which it might do, equities will pull back. A little bit of freaking pullback in this commodity pricing. We need a little deflation. Let this thing deflate. Hopefully this dollar can reel in a little bit. We got to figure out a way to get some revenue stream going in this country. Tariffs, 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 tariffs. Kevin Blanch, stay with me. I'll make at least weekly calls for you guys on the market. Let's make some money. Period. Kevin.